Hello kids, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to draw and color popcorn. All of us love popcorn, right? Okay, I will tell you a short popcorn and puppy story. Once upon a time, there lived a puppy in a village which was very cute. Everyone in the village loved the puppy and used to offer food to the puppy. The puppy loved playing with the kids. It daily plays with the kids the whole day, and at night it sleeps under a tree. One evening, there a new popcorn seller came to the village. He started selling popcorn on his cycle and attracted people by shouting, "Popcorn, popcorn!" Fresh and tasty popcorn was just $5. The smell of popcorn attracted everyone, and everyone started buying popcorn from the seller. One day, the puppy was playing with the kids. The popcorn seller came there and started shouting, "Popcorn, popcorn for just $5." All the kids rushed to the popcorn seller and brought few packets of popcorn and started eating. The smell of popcorn made the puppy hungry and its mouth was filled with water. The puppy wanted to eat the popcorn. One of the kids who was eating popcorn threw popcorn at the puppy. The puppy jumped and caught the popcorn and immediately ate it. The puppy loved the taste of popcorn very much and wanted to eat more. After all the kids left the place, the puppy started following the popcorn seller. The puppy thought that the popcorn seller would give him popcorns like the other kids just by following him. The popcorn seller saw the puppy and just ignored it. The puppy waited for much time, but it was not getting any popcorn. The smell of popcorn was making the puppy more hungry. After some time, the puppy thought that if it would bark at the seller like the other dogs, maybe the seller would give a few popcorns in fear of barking at him. The puppy thought it was a great idea and started barking at the seller. The popcorn seller, instead of becoming scared, got angry and threw stones at the puppy. The puppy got hurt by the stones. The puppy felt very sad. The puppy thought that no idea was working and stopped at a place watching the seller go. The puppy left the hopes of eating the popcorn. The popcorn seller again started shouting, "Popcorn, popcorn." He stopped his cycle beside the road and people started coming there to buy popcorns. The puppy, who was standing at a distance, was watching the seller very sadly. Suddenly, a big truck whose brakes got failed was heading towards the seller, but the seller didn't observe the truck as he was indulged in selling his popcorn. The puppy observed the truck and rushed towards the seller. It started barking at the seller and pushed the seller away. The seller saw that the puppy saved his life from getting hit by the truck. The seller thought about how big mistake he made today by misunderstanding the puppy. He apologized to the puppy for treating it very badly and thanked the puppy for saving his life. He decided to take the puppy to his home. He treated its injury and took nice care of the puppy. The puppy also loved its new master and also enjoyed daily by eating popcorn every day.